Morena koutou, welcome to Rātu, Yoga with Matua. Today is focus on Manaakitanga, kindness. Our Whakatō is he aroha Whakatō, he aroha ka puta mai. He aroha Whakatō, he aroha ka puta mai. If kindness is sown, then kindness is what you shall receive. So let's receive some kindness, give some kindness to our tinana this morning. Woohoo! It's going to be a short, sharp, hardcore session this morning. So if you're feeling strong and show your body some kindness, let's get into it. Yeah. Okay. First of all, I'm going to start in a seat. Just come to a seat. Nice, tall, upright seat. And take a nice big breath in. Bring it into the heart space. Bow our heads and set an intention for this practice. And our intention should relate to showing some kindness to ourselves today, showing some kindness to others today, just being kind. Manaakitanga. And a gentle twist to the left, just waking up the spine. A gentle twist to the right. Coming back to center on the breath, breathe in, and over we go. Reaching forward. Take another breath, and reach forward again. Another breath, keep going a little bit more. Good stuff. And slowly bringing that tide back. Imagine the waves of tangaroa going out and coming in, going out. Coming in. With the breath and out. And coming back. Good stuff. We're going to extend that stretch even further. We're going to go to our river pose. So going to the side, putting our toes out in front of us, our feet out, pointing our toes up to up to rangi nui, keeping your tinana on papatūnuku, reaching up, and over you go. Touching those toes. You need to bend your knees. You can bend your knees. Seeing if you can get your head on your knees, but that's no problem if you can't. Just go where you can. Some of you might just get to there. That's fine. Some of you might just get to there. That's fine. Go where your body can go to. Every day you could get better though. And see if you could go to your toes. Okay, slowly coming back up like the tide. Coming up onto tabletop. Ready to do some ngiru and some ko. Ngiru being a cat and a ko being a cow. So we're going to go to ngiru first, breathing in. And out for ko. Breathing in. And out. Kiroto. Kiwaho. Great stuff. Right, I said this was going to be challenging. So we're going to push up to downward dog. Curl your toes underneath and pushing up with the breath. Pedaling out. Holding here for 3, 2, 1. And bringing our right foot up to the sky. A nice straight line. And stepping it through, shooting it through the tunnel. Okay. Low lunge. Okay, take a low lunge here. Now turn your left foot out towards the outside of the mat. Keep your body nice and straight. We're going to scoop some ice cream up here to go into warrior. Here we go. Ooh. Good stuff. And going back down. Putting the legs back for downward facing dog. And going to plank into our cobra. Coming back down, putting the toes back, pressing up into downward facing dog. Feeling strong today, feeling strong. Showing your body some Manaakitanga. Left leg up. Nice straight line. And stepping through to low lunge. And turning the right foot towards the outside of the mat this time. Scooping up the ice cream into warrior. Good stuff. And breathing in. And back down. Into plank. And then down to cobra. Or up dog. We're going to do that again. That whole section, that whole rhythm one more time. Okay, pressing up, downward facing dog, lifting up the right foot, stepping through, might need to assist it sometimes, low lunge, turning up the left foot to the outside of the mat, scooping up the ice cream into warrior. Feel the strength in your legs. Feel that burn. Feel your body start to wake up. And going back down to plank and slowly descend into cobra. Going back down, getting the toes under, push up to downward facing dog. Left side, left leg up. Step through. Turn the right foot out. Scoop the ice cream. Open up into warrior 1. Nice straight line. Feeling strong. Hold here. And back down to plank. Lowering slowly into a cobra. Nice. And then coming up to tabletop, taking your legs wide on the mat and just sinking down into child's pose here. Enjoy this moment. You have worked hard this morning, showing some kindness to your tinana. Great. We're just going to finish off with a pretzel shape. So putting your right leg underneath your kumu, or right foot underneath your kumu here, and then putting your left leg over the top of your right, and you're just going to turn your body around to your left, feeling that stretch down the back of your left leg there. And saying hello to your right foot. Hello, right foot. Feeling a nice twist in the spine. Breathing in, lifting up, and unfurling slowly to do the other side. Put your left foot underneath your kumu and your right foot over the top. If you can get your foot flat on the floor, that would be good. And then turning around to your right side. Feeling strong, feeling powerful. Showing your tinana some kindness today. And release slowly out of your pretzel shape. And we're going to go into our Savasana. Lastly, finding a nice comfortable position on our mats. Slowly rolling down, really slowly, using your tummy muscles to lie flat on Papatunuku. And just releasing your arms to your side, pointing your palms up towards Rangi Nui and letting your feet fall away from each other as you take some nice, deep, cleansing, relaxation breaths. Feeling your flesh melt away from your bones. Relaxing into the earth. Enjoying this moment. Taking the time for you. This could be something that you do with everybody in your whānau, all together. Or it could be something that you just do by yourself. Take your iPad outside, find a nice sunny spot, do it on the grass. Feel Your body will thank you for it. And nice big breath in. With the next breath, raising the arms up, overhead, to a nice strong arrow position, bringing your feet together, pointing the toes, and then pressing the palms together, slowly descending them down towards your third eye in the middle of your forehead, past your nose, down into your heart space. And here we will finish with our closing aroha nui. Aroha nui. Gently, you might stay there for a while, or if you want to go back to Savasana, you can. But if you're coming out of this, just gently roll over to your side and push yourself up with kindness, with aroha. And thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me on this gorgeous Tuesday. Rātu. Have a happy day. Remember, our Whakatō was he aroha Whakatō, he aroha ka puta mai. Ka kite anō.